Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Kentucky. And this whole process is super fast and easy. Click the link in the description below. I promise you this is no longer than 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit less. And by the end of this walkthrough tutorial, you're gonna have your LLC filed. So again, click that link in the description below. That way you can follow along with me while I'm doing it on my computer screen. You can do it on yours. And let's just get right into it. So it's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to click Kentucky. And now type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelashes on the go. And just click what applies for you currently. Now you can type in the industry you fall into, and you can see they have a ton of options on here, so you can more than likely find your category. And click if you're selling either a physical good or a service or both. All right, so let's just say you don't have employees and you file your LLC and then you decide you do want employees. It's totally fine. This part is just, again, clicking where you are at the moment. So if it changes later on, that's completely fine. Now you're gonna use your zip code. If you do not have a storefront or a shop, you can use your home zip code for this. And then, are you selling online, at a shop or store, or on the go? And just click all that apply for you. So today I want you to click LLC, and then I also want you to click EIN. So the reason I want you to get your EIN number is your EIN is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So you're more than likely going to need it within this year. And I just like Taylor Brands getting it right here because you can kind of get everything business related in one place. If you need like a logo made or a license, they have all that too. But for today, we're just gonna do these two. We could skip this survey, and you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, Taylor Brands is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. It's free. I like it. I always take it. But if you want to skip, you can hit no thanks. And now you're just going to put in your personal information. Okay, and this is asking again, do you want Taylor Brands to help you with your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. Personally, I feel like government websites are outdated and difficult to navigate. So for only $99, Taylor Brands will do it for me. And pretty much just me clicking this button here is all I have to do. So for me, it's completely worth it. And a registered agent is essentially a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail about your business LLC. So if you're filing your LLC in Kentucky and you live in Kentucky, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you don't live in Kentucky, you will need to appoint someone that has that address in Kentucky. So most of you guys watching this video are going to be this option here. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. If you forget to do it, you'll be charged a bunch of late fees and fines. Obviously, we don't want to pay those, right? So if you think you can remember to renew it every single year, you can handle the compliance on your own. If you're worried you might forget or you're really busy with your business, Taylor Brands can do it for you for $199 a year. So the choice is yours. And we're just going to skip on this branding toolkit. And for just $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days. I feel like it's worth it. I want it as soon as possible. You don't need an operating agreement, so hit next. We're gonna skip on the information kit. And you guys, this is a great service they offer. So let's just say, you don't really have a good system set up right now for organizing your finances, your bookkeeping, all that good stuff. They will give you a service where they're going to get you super organized so you know where every single cent is going in your business. I highly recommend checking it out. It's a free trial and then they give you prices at the end. But if you're serious about leveling up with your business, definitely recommend checking it out. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine as well. And you can manage your own books and invoices. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, for today, we're just getting our LLC and EIN. We don't need to pay anything extra, so let's click this option here. Now it's giving us a breakdown. So the Kentucky state filing fee is $40. That's just the mandated state filing fee. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day filing fee. So after your charge, this is the grand total for today. After this, like once they file the LLC, then they'll file the EIN number. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. That's just for your EIN. Okay, so after you enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. So like I mentioned, if you don't have a storefront or a shop, you can use your home address. I've always used my home address since I'm mobile, I'm on the go, and I've never received like junk mail or spam. It's literally just for them to have on file and contact you if they need something in regards to your LLC. But if you do have a storefront, you can obviously use that address. But that's it, you guys. We're literally done. There's nothing else to this. I hope this was easy to follow along with, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. And I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I'll see you guys in the next one.